All right, so we just got this. It's the Lumisphere from Costco. Check it out. It's got a bunch of different things on the box. If you press here, it's going to show you what it does. Look at that. Now, I don't know if it's going to turn off or not. I'm going to press it again. All right, so it says 2 ways to play. 1, hands-on. Use the Lumisphere like a ball to catch passes and do tricks. Or 2, hands-off. Magically hover the Lumisphere using only one hand gesture. And it just turned off. So we've got to give it a try. And we got to figure out how to open it. I think it's like a box. Oh yeah, it is. Look. So, I got a piece of plastic on here. So I think this was 19 bucks at Costco. And this one's bigger than the other ones that I've seen, you know what I mean? It's like larger. It's a larger sphere. All right, so far so good. Oh, look. It's got some kind of thing connected to it. So let's go ahead and we'll just pull the whole thing out, I guess. Here's the Lumisphere. There's that. But it does have this other box in here. And so you gotta bend the sides like this to get this box out. Right now it should slide right out. Ta-da! All right, so here's this. I'll set it over here. And then we got this. So now we gotta see what's in here, right? So far, this is what we got. All right, let's get this open. And I think it pops like this. Oh yeah, here we go. Now we can see what's inside here. So, first of all, it's got one of these things to keep it dry. Get rid of that. It does have a USB-C to USB-A. Put that over there. Oh, you may need this. Quick start directions. Set that down. And it's got something else in here. Oh, here, look. This is the button. So I think we just got to unhook this because it's got like a little battery in there. So I think if we pull this off, yeah, see, that's a USB-C. So this there's a little battery in the box there, and this was connected to it. So it's got a little bit of a charge in it. So we'll set that down, and yeah, this is it. So I'm thinking there is a universal on button right there. And I think all you do is press that. It's got 1, 2, 3. It's got, if you look inside there, you'll see it's got 4 like propellers. So I think this is the up way. So let's try it. I think you got to push and hold. All right, so we've got to do more investigation. It is giving me 2 green lights. So what I'm going to do is I've got a USB-C right here. I'm just going to plug it in there and charge it. You know what I mean? And then we'll let this charge, and then we'll come back. Oh, look, see? Now, see it turned red? So I think once all of those lights are on, it'll be charged, and maybe we can use it. Let's set it down for now, and we'll come back to that. So we're getting charged up. We got some green lights. I think we might be able to go ahead and give this bad boy a try. I think we might be able to give this bad boy a try. All right, if you want to, see this quick start guide, they got a QR code here that you can, bam, you can do. If not, you could read the interior, or you guys could do a screenshot. Yeah. All right, so here we are. Let's unplug her. All right, we're gonna press the button on the bottom and hold it for 3 seconds. All right, so it is blinking. I'm gonna press it once, That puts it in play mode. Then I'm going to shake it. Oh, shit. Let's try again. I'm going to shake it. Hang on, let me get back a little bit so you guys can see. All right, here we are. How come it turns off so quickly? Let's shake it. Okay, here we go. All right, so here we are. To turn it on, you have to press and hold this for 3 seconds. It's going to turn green. Then you want to go to blue mode by clicking it 1 time. See, it's blue. Now you hold it upright, that thing on the bottom, shake it. Oh shit. Pretty cool, huh? Turn it off, press and hold. Press and hold. And it's off. And bam, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. If you like this video,